How to install a new shower head for your bathroom. Thanks for watching. I want to show you guys how to install a shower arm and replace your shower head, your old shower head. Whether it's rusted, just looks ugly, or you want to change it out. I'm actually going with a longer shower arm because I'm building a bigger shower. And I have here is an 8-inch shower arm instead of the average probably 6-inch. First, you're going to get you a razor blade. And if this was on the wall, you would cut around and score it. Don't worry if you go deep, you can't mess anything up. There's solid metal on the other end. So cut around and remove the flange and pull it forward. Once you have that in place, if you have trouble unscrewing this, sometimes they're not really that tough. You can take a pliers or a vice grips and you're going to lock around that. And if you are worried about messing it up, put a piece of cloth in between, an old towel or rag. Once you have the rag around there, you can also do the same thing on the shower arm and place another rag over here and another pliers or vice grips. Usually these are pretty loose and you can unscrew them fairly easily. So turn it in a counterclockwise motion to unscrew it. Once you've got it unscrewed, you then have your shower arm off. You're going to want to take I have a wire brush here to clean off the old, if you're just gonna keep your same shower arm, you're gonna clean off the old tape or glue, whatever they've used to get it on there. Once you know you've got it nice and clean, go over it with like a towel or rag and clean it up really nice. Wrap the tape around exactly 3 times, not more than that, or else you'll have trouble getting it locked to all the way. So go around about 3 times. You can go 2, just to be safe. I also wanted to tell you guys to check your work. If you're actually putting in an arm, they actually make a cap. So what I'm gonna do is tread the tip of the cap because I put in all new plumbing, and I'm gonna tape this up, put the cap on, and turn the water on to make sure I have no leaks before putting in my backer board and all my tile on my wall. But if you're only replacing the arm, you only need to do this section here, and go ahead and screw on your new shower head. And don't forget to use a pliers so you don't scratch it up. So that's about it, and go ahead and turn this, and if you need help, grab a towel so you can crank it on there pretty good so you can lock on this and you don't hurt yourself. Give you guys an example, just like that, and you're able to turn it better, but I only have one hand. So wrap your new thread tape on the tip of the arm, go around 2 to 3 times. When you feel you've done it right, you're good. If you're only replacing your shower head, go ahead and put your new shower head on. But if you're doing this kind of work and reinstalling an entire unit of copper head, then I'm gonna wanna check my work. And I talked to you guys earlier in the video with this cap, and I could screw the cap on and turn on my water to make sure that I have no leaks in my work. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helped you out and taught you how to install it. And make sure to do this really tight with a vice grips or pliers. But give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.